Hi everybody, it's Jen and I am here with a little bit of a haul, but before I start that I wanted to talk about this cushion that I got. They reached out to me, and of course I'm a crafter, so I do have the capability of standing at my countertop desk, but I sit a lot, and this is a very big thick cushion. It's about 5 inches thick, and it actually comes with a strap because it's intended to be a wheelchair cushion for those who are in wheelchairs. So it was very innovative for the company to reach out to me and ask if I would review their pillow. So I've had it for a couple weeks now, or seat cushion pillow, and it's a large size, so it fits on my stool. And at first I was actually using it backwards. It has these sticky grippers so that it sticks to your seat and it doesn't slide off, and then this side is a nice soft felt or felt material. So I wanted to definitely let you guys know about that, and that it is really it does help a bit for those people who sit for long periods of time. I actually work at a desk also, so day and night. Yeah, it's good for posture, and it helps with my back pain, my butt pain, and my legs too. So check them out. I'll link them in the description below. But yeah, I wanted to let all of you guys know about them. And the name of that cushion is Auvon, so I'll link that below. And I also wanted to say, for those of you who purchased the glass mat that I've been using when I create, I put this here now because of the lighting, but this glass mat, yeah, a few of you have enjoyed it, and I appreciate you using my link on that also, which is down below, from glassboardstudio.com, and my code for a discount, which it's more in, I think it was 25% during the Black Friday, but it is POSH20, so I'll leave that link down there below. So let's get into my miniature haul that I went to. I went to a store. It was a really cute store, about an hour away, and I have her credentials here. It's called Toys, Dolls, and Minis, and it is in Olmsted Falls. And yep, there's her information. But let's go into what we got. So first thing I got was this Houseworks 1" to 1" scale plan book, and I also got this Carlston Wiltshire cottage because I'm really enjoying these cottages that I'm building. But it gives you these floor plans, and they're actually like to scale. Now I will probably end up, using these plans myself, but I'll draw them in my software and cut them out on my laser, because I can't cut a straight line. And then this one, we'll just flip through this. There's a lot of neat plan books for these. But yeah, it shows you floor plans of dollhouses, and even like this is how you cut out of a this is a scale 1/8 inch to equals 1 foot, but it shows you out of a 48 by 48 piece of plywood how you utilize the sheet the best. So that's really interesting, and how you put it together and stuff. So that's fun. I got those 2 books, and I'm just going to reach into the bag here. They have this little chamber pot kit, and when you're dealing with miniatures, it's kind of all about the details, so I thought this would be really fun. And I think it's just a plastic like snap together kit, but I think it'll make a big difference if you paint it up and make it look nice. Okay, So there it is. It's just kind of like a model kit, and yep, it's a little snap together, but it has some nice details, so that's cute. I like that. Something to put on your dresser in your bedrooms. And look at they even have nice bags. I'm just going to show you. Look at this nice bag that I got. It was very nice. You don't expect that from stores. You don't expect that from stores anymore. They had these. Actually, I think I'm pretty sure I got these from Michael's. They're just some dowels. I wanted some different size dowels to use. I just threw those in the bag with the miniature stuff. It kind of all goes together. Okay, back to the store. I got these veranda corners. This is probably like a 1/24 size, but I thought they were really neat looking. I like the detail on them. One thing I cannot do with a laser is make these little round things. I would need a lathe, and I don't have one. I got this door knocker because I thought it was super cute. And then these are drawer pulls. So they have a little, they hang down from drawers, so I thought those were neat. I got this little 1/24 size, or no, this is a 1/48. Nope, this is a half. This is a 1/24 size door. And some 1/24 size like stair rail. Newel posts is what they call them. I thought those were neat. And then I got a lot of these retired furniture kits. So this is a music stand, and it's called Queen Anne Fire Screen. It looks like a music stand to me. It says it's a fire screen, but I was going to use it as a music stand. I got this half table, so it's a little entryway table. I thought that was neat. I got this components for one dower chest. So this one wasn't sealed, so I wanted to open it. Give you guys an okay, it has out. And all of these will have similar here's your little brass pieces, and then here's all the pieces, and then the instructions are in there too. So that's fun. I'll have to put this together on camera. Oh, okay, see, here's the little pieces that fit in here. How fun is that? So yeah, there's that. Okay, next I got two more of those, and one is a desk, and it's like a old style secretary desk almost like, and then this one is this wing chair, so I thought this would be neat. So that is all I got at that little store in Olmsted Falls, and she also has dolls and other toys in there too. So if you're interested in checking out her Facebook page or her website, head on over there. Again, these are all really old. These are retired, so the boxes are kind of old, but these were 1977. So if you she still has some of these, so if you care to contact her for if you're interested in them. Yeah, so thanks a lot, and we will see you next time. Can't wait to put some things together. Bye-bye.